Greetings YouTubers, and welcome to the Gear desktop. This is just a quick update based on an excellent suggestion I received in feedback from the Performance Nutrition for Backpackers video series. So thank you for that, Mr. North. The question was about the possibility of a blank but analysis-enabled food chart for do-it-yourself purposes. Say you want to build your own chart with items that are gluten-free, for example. Maybe you're from a region where most of the food items I listed aren't available and you want to build one with local products. Or perhaps you just want to make your own personal favorites list. Whatever the reason, behold the DIY food chart. It has all the features of the original but none of the calories. Ba-dum-cha. The fields are basically in the order of a standard food label, so you can just do the data entry from top to bottom. You'll note that some fields are not empty. Those are the formula fields, patiently waiting to do the math for you as you proceed to enter the required data. And as you can see here, for example, the weight in ounces is computed, not entered. I chose to input serving size in grams for the finer resolution. So once you've put in the grams, the ounces are computed automatically. The next several fields are all user-entered directly from the food label. And if a number is missing, the way potassium often is, you can enter it as 0 or just skip it. The other box is another computed field. It's what's left over from the total carbs after you subtract out the fiber and the sugar. And recall from the video series that other is what I used as a proxy for complex carbs. And the last user-entered field is for protein. And as we've been going, the analysis fields both self-compute and self-color code, according to value systems developed and discussed in the video series. And you'll need to watch those videos for that to make sense, but the color keys are provided for your reference. They're just on a separate worksheet within the chart. Check the bottom left corner for the Color Keys tab to check those out. Oh, and one last note. The formula fields are locked. And that's just to keep you from inadvertently messing them up. But if you do want to tinker, you just unprotect the worksheet from the Review tab. And there's no password. You can do it with just a click. And that's all, folks. I hope it helps. As far as new videos go, I've been extremely busy these past couple of months, but I have a good excuse. We bought a house. So I haven't really had time to work on anything else, but things are finally settling down though, and I've begun researching what I think might end up being a 3-part series on field water treatment, broken into sections on boiling and both physical and chemical filtration. So look for those in the coming months if that's a subject of interest. And as always, thanks for watching and happy holidays.